If you make this fatal move in your approach to women, it's likely to end with her ghosting you, bro. She might not say anything or show clear signs of interest, and her attraction towards you will decrease significantly. She responds slower, gradually fade away, or put you in the friend zone. These are the 4 things, and the solution is 1. Don't speak poorly of other guys. You might feel threatened when you find out your crush is interested in someone else, but criticizing other guys in front of her will only make you appear insecure and lacking confidence. The solution: stay silent and just say no comment if she asks for your opinion about other guys. If you genuinely think someone is amazing, go ahead and express your honest opinion. Number 2. Excessive compliments. Constantly praising her appearance, job, or hobbies can make you seem fake and needy. The solution: be honest, bro. Call something amazing only if you truly believe it is. If not, just respond normally and avoid excessive praise. Number 3. Indecisiveness. If you're constantly asking her when you can meet, what she wants to eat, or where to go, it can make you seem unattractive in her eyes. It shows that you can't take charge. The solution: take the initiative and suggest options yourself. If she doesn't like it, she lets you know, but at least you've shown leadership. For example, let's meet again next Sunday. There's a cool event at the cafe at 6 p.m. Or how about trying out that Indian restaurant? I've been curious about their food for a while. Number 4. Rushing to ask for her number. This mistake often happens in the early stages of approaching someone you don't know at all. The mistake is being too eager to ask for her number, making her suspicious about your intentions. The solution: make clear plans for activities you want to do together first, then ask for her number. For example, let's meet again next week. It sounds fun. Can I have your number so we can easily coordinate our plans? Or I know this really cool place to hang out. You'll love it. Can I get your Instagram? I'll send you some photos of the place. This fatal mistake can ruin your approach to women, but remember: 1. Don't speak poorly of other guys. 2. Don't overcompliment. 3. Be decisive. And 4. Don't rush to ask for her number. Stay strong, bro.